offers a wonderful opportunity for all adventure lovers to enter the world of aerial photography at an affordable price. With aerial photography, it's possible to capture images so incredible they can't be seen with the naked eye. With the introduction of the DJI Mini Se, capturing mesmerizing aerial views with 2.7K video and 12 megapixel photos is just a drone away. This model is compact and easy to transport. Weighing just 249 grams, it's DJI's lightest drone. It feels like a smartphone in your pocket. A drone is useful while you're on different adventures. The super portable design is perfect for capturing ultra-smooth aerial shots on the go. This model also offers superior stability with a 3-axis motorized gimbal that ensures sharp, lag-free images. In addition, you also get a good 30 minutes of flight in the air in one go, which allows you to capture amazing stable video, even when flying along a windy coast or high above an alpine forest. The DJI Mini Se drone is capable of withstanding winds of 29 to 38 kilometers per hour. Overall, despite the budget price, it offers a great experience for beginners. An added bonus to all the tutorials and guides that DJI offers is the DJI Fly app, which contains a variety of templates for creators. There seems to be no limit to the shots you can take. From capturing panoramic views when flying along a windy coastline to capturing footage high in an alpine forest, the DJI Mini Se will always delight you with stable and impressive shots. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best budget drones in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.